Hi, I'm Marianne from Heavenly Organic Skincare. I am delighted to show you our new Radiant Me facial oil. If you are after glowing, youthful skin, then this is the oil for you. I have been working on this for a good 6 months and I'm so excited with the formula that we've come up with. This is a blend of 5 organic ingredients: castor oil from the castor bean, rosehip oil, raspberry seed oil, and then we have added the kings of essential oils, frankincense and myrrh. Now this combination means this oil is packed full of vitamins A, C and E. It is wonderful for skin regeneration, cell renewal, it's anti-inflammatory. It's just going to make your skin feel wonderful and you should see the difference. It's not going to make a change overnight, it's a natural product. But I have been using this for months and I have really noticed the difference. Last year was a particularly stressful year for me and I noticed how it aged me. And this has really helped. I have a line here which you can just about see. I think, to be honest, that line is from bad posture, but this oil has helped reduce it. It's helped reduce the lines on my forehead. I am loving this oil and I really hope you will too. It's just packed full of such wonderful ingredients. Please do read the product details and it will list all the benefits of each individual product. So I won't go through it all here, but it's there for skin regeneration, cell renewal. It helps promote collagen production. We all know we need collagen, particularly as we age. Frankincense is wonderful for mature skin as well. And myrrh has got so many different benefits. It's a really healing oil. Now I'll show you what it looks like. Now this is how it comes with this screw-on lid. And we sell separately, and we'll show you, our pipette. I really want to encourage reuse, so sell this separately so you can keep reusing it. And I use about 4 drops. Now you can see this beautiful amber liquid. I mean, that comes from the rosehip oil and the raspberry seed oil. It's just so rich in colour. So I will show you. I obviously apply with clean hands. You can apply to damp skin as well to lock in that extra moisture. I'm just going to pop 4 drops on there. Of course you use whatever amount you need to. You might need less, you might need more. That's how much I'm going to use for my face. And then just gently massage it in. I like to go up here. What I tend to do is go like that across my, where I have that line on my neck. I mean, ideally I wouldn't have it at all if I had better posture. And it's really, really helped, particularly on my forehead where I just noticed how much more wrinkly it became with the stress. And it would just leave your skin feeling amazing. So that is our Radiant Me facial oil. I hope you love it as much as we do, and I hope you really feel the benefits of it. Thank you for watching.